Hello, young innovative minds. Are you hungry for adventure, creativity, and change? Are you ready to think out of the box and create a radically different future? Well, I've got exciting news for you. Young Talents for Innovative Industries is the event you've been waiting for.
Wondering what you'll experience during these 2 breathtaking days? We'll be looking behind the scenes at BienAir Dental. BienAir Dental is committed to pushing the boundaries of dental innovation, making smiles brighter and healthcare more efficient. At the workshop, you'll gain exclusive insights into their challenges and have the chance to brainstorm solutions that can revolutionize the field of dental care. Each day, the winners will be able to win an incredible prize for the best idea presented, and then maybe work for 6 months on their project with a financial support from Innosuisse, the Swiss innovation agency.
On the second day, the adventure continues to explore the challenges of MPS Micro Precision Systems in Bienne, another leader in our industry. This company is all about creating cutting-edge solutions with nanometer precision. They're experts in developing microsystems that power everything from medical devices to aerospace technology. So, are you in the final year of your apprenticeship or studying at a university? Are you up for the challenge? Exploring cutting-edge technologies such as additive manufacturing, Microtech and Photonics to create a radical impact?
Join us for 2 days of learning, collaboration and inspiration. Your next big idea could change the world. For more information and to register, go to the website link. This event will take place on February 15 and 16, 2024, in Bienne. We'll cover the cost of the hotel and the great party on Thursday. You'll just have to pay for transports. Join us at Young Talents for Innovative Industries, where your adventure begins.